Navadurga Pashmina, a Pashmina manufacturing company dedicated to bringing you 100% authentic Pashmina produced right here in Nepal. Established in 1998 AD as a small family business that has grown into one of Nepal's leading manufacturer and exports to more than 100 countries. We source our Pashmina ethically from the Himalayas of Nepal and Tibet to bring you the most luxurious, premium and delicate Pashmina. Our raw materials are handpicked to ensure you only get the finest quality Pashmina. The raw Pashmina is spun into a yarn, loaded into the handloom and woven to create elegant Pashmina shawls. For garments like sweaters, cardigans and hoodies, each individual panels are knitted by hand guiding. The products are dyed in organic Swiss-made dye, washed to remove the excess and tumble-dried to set the dye. The garments are then mended, paying attention to the tiniest details and linked. After all the parts are assembled, it is carefully ironed so that it retains its original shape permanently. Finally, the product is inspected and labeled with Navadurga logo as a guarantee of authenticity and quality. Our logo is the perfect way to remember why you support us in the first place. Not only are you getting the luxury of a premium Pashmina that will last generations, you're also supporting the dyeing art of handcrafted Nepali Pashmina, empowering women and supporting the economy. Navadurga Pashmina, unparalleled quality.